Hi guys, this video is going to provide instructions on how to complete your electronic word wall. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to classwork, and then we're going to scroll down to week 3 where it says electronic word wall. Everybody should have their own copy because I put, make a copy. So you click on it. And what you'll see is the first slide is going to have all the different letters on it, and then there's an A slide, a B slide, so on and so forth. So I'm going to show you one way to do it. You click present, and let's say you wanted to do an E word. You click on E, it takes you directly to the E word. But in order, or the E page, in order to put stuff in here, you're going to need to hit escape, ESC, which is in the top left corner of your keyboard. You hit escape. So you have this electronic word wall, but where are you getting your words from? That's from Quizlet that we signed up for, all right? So we're going to log into Quizlet. And we're going to go to the first 6 weeks words. You guys, not the third 6 weeks, but the first 6 weeks words. And the first word is ergonomics. Ergonomics is the first word. So I can either type in the word or I can copy it. Copy, Control C. So I highlight it and then I hit Control C for copy. Then I come over here to the E slide and I'm going to Control V to paste the word. And I can make my font bigger. That's too big, but you can make your font bigger so that you can see it. And then into the second box, I want to put ergonomics in Spanish. All right, so here I click on a new tab. Google Translate is your friend. So I said Spanish, but if you take French, then you could put the words in French. But Spanish and French are the only ones that I want in there. So if you take sign language, then put the word in Spanish, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put the word ergonomics here. And in Spanish, it's ergonomia. Ergonomia. So I'm going to Control C to copy it. I'm going to go back to my electronic word wall, and I'm going to Control V to paste it. All right? And then in this box, I want to put a picture. So I'm going to go over here to Insert, Image, search the web, and then I'm going to type in the word ergonomics. And I'm going to go ahead and put this picture right here and insert it. It's super huge, so I'm going to make it smaller. And then I'm going to move it to this box right here. So this is more wide than it is tall. And just make your picture so that it fits there. All right. And then when you blow it up, when you present it, you'll actually be able to see your picture, right? And so then in this box, we're going to go ahead and put the word in a sentence. So we go back to Quizlet. We look at it. It says the ergonomics is the study of the interaction between people and their work environment and making things better. So ergonomics, I'm going to do the sentence for you, or you can do the same sentence. Ergonomics is used to make better working conditions. All right, and then the last thing that I'm going to do is underline the word. So I highlight it, and then I click underline, right, which is right here. Click the underline, and that underlines the word. And this is what you guys are going to do for all 25 words for the first 6 weeks. You're going to put them on the page that they belong in. So the A words go on the A page, the B words go on the B page, and so on and so forth. Word in Spanish, picture and a sentence and underline the word. The rubric has been attached so you know how you will be graded.